Previously on God's Way.
Valerie, and a Carlton that.
It look like him, yes. But what him say name?
Donovan Martin.
Prison? Why would I be going to prison? I don't know.
Between the leg and breathe. Breathe.
Then somebody answer the phone number. I'm telling you that all I need to do is just need. I'm fine. Turn off the ring again, no man. Georgia. Go upstairs. In the bedroom, you see my handbag and number in there for Mr. Simpson for the labor ministry. Bring it, come to me.
Val, just make it weird, no?
I can't just stay here and make them persecute me husband.
Maybe one lawyer need for call. And a little bit of trouble in I know.
Deacon? I really would appreciate it if you would give my husband the benefit of the doubt before rushing to condemn him.
It no matter if him innocent. From them lock him up, him in a trouble. What I don't understand is how comes him the right to stay in Florida and you never know. I only hope say that even some of what them say are true.
All these years. And things don't change, eh? We're still quick to run and crucify with one another.
Val, have a point.
Georgia, you don't go to get the baggers yet.
Mommy, you sure
Don't let me speak to you again.
Take time, sister. Working up yourself not going to help the situation. Tell you what, make me go up a pastor and make him beg somebody from the Florida church to go up a police station to find out what is happening.
Deacon, I really don't want anybody into my business.
Then you don't realize international news is upon. I sue everybody business.
You know what? I really would appreciate it if everybody could just keep this matter private. Thank you anyway for the offer.
As you wish. Take up the shield of faith, Sister Val. God will find a way.
Val, you think Carlton would do a thing like this?
You know what time for you go home as well.
Val.
No, Samantha. Remember which part you live. You're not supposed to out late at night. Go on, man. Go on,
There's
go on.
no need to get upset, Val. I had to ask. This whole thing just seems so impossible.
Georgia, you don't find that bag as yet?
I'm searching, but I still don't see it.
But if you say him innocent, I believe you. Look, maybe we can figure out a way how to work this out.
How, Samantha? When I don't know what this is.
Look, I know a parent who is a police officer. Let me call him and see if he can tell us what is the best course of action.
Just leave the contact information and I will
No,
call
Val,
him.
no. I like how it's me know him. Let me do it.
Leave it alone, now, Samantha. Will you want to call police for? Look how far me and you come from. Every time my husband come to Jamaica, you sit outside I'm in a church. And if you don't believe him, then a Jamaican police, you expect I go believe him. Just want to get the man in more trouble than what you mean already, man.
I was just trying to help.
Well, excuse me if I am not all full of gratitude. But this is not some problem that you can fix for one of your high school students. You realize that my husband is in a jail cell in some country where him is not supposed to be for some crime where there is no way under God him could commit? So, this is not some opportunity for Samantha to show off who she know and what she can fix. Georgia, find that bag and bring it to me right now, you know.
Mommy is in the closet, Maurice, you know. You sure it's up here?
Why you can't look for anything, Georgia? You want to
Val.
come up there to you?
I am looking.
No, it's why you can't do that, Samantha.
Val!
Sam!
Val! Maybe you leave it down here, I don't remember. Just let me help you look for the bag and then I'll go, please. Please. There you go. You must have left it there when you were setting up a prayer meeting, I don't remember.
Thank you. Sammy, just...
Val, it's all right, Val. I know you're going through a lot. You don't have to go through it alone. I am here. I am here. And if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to call me. One more thing. Remember now, this is going to affect Georgie as well. You need to sit and talk it over with her. Rejoice in hope. Be patient in tribulation. And be constant in prayer. And God will be there for you.
Mommy, I'm telling you, that bag not up there, I searched out the whole closet and I can't find it. You sure you leave it up there? So how you find it? I'm still up there looking for it.
Georgia.
Auntie Sam gone?
Yes, baby. Remember which part she lives. She can't stay out too late. Georgie, come here. Come and sit beside me. Baby, I know you're worried about Daddy. And everything just seems confusing to you right now. But no fret. As soon as I get hold of Mr. Simpson, I'm going to clear up everything. I'm not going to stop until your father is back in him house where he belongs.
Even if he's guilty?
Nah, Georgia. Nobody follow Deacon and Auntie Sam. Oh, your father must be guilty. You know of your father to be selling drugs?
If he's guilty, Mommy, you still going to help him?
Georgia, where is all of this coming from?
I need to show you something, but promise me, please, that you're not going to get upset.
Not no, Georgia. Just make me focus on your father, no man.
This is about Daddy. I think you need to look at this.
What, bank accounts in Barbados, Cayman, Turks and Caicos, Bahamas, England, Georgia. What is this? And where you get the money from for all of this?
Daddy gave me for safekeeping.
What? Properties in Clarendon, Trelawney, St. Mary, Hanover. Georgia, what is this? And where your father gave you all of this and why? And where your father get the money from for all of this?
Mommy. Mommy.
Oh, dear God.
Mommy, I tell him, I tell him it's not right to keep this from you. I tell him.
How long has this been going
I
on?
promised I wouldn't talk, so I couldn't tell him.
How long?
From when I turned 18.
You mean to tell me that you and your father have been conspiring behind my back for almost 3 years?
It wasn't like that. Daddy was only trying to protect
That's the from Georgia? The criminal when me ever live inside me one a yard?
This is exactly how him say you would have behaved. Should I keep it to myself?
What else you keeping to yourself in Georgia? What else you keeping to yourself? When the police come kick off my door, when me I talk about police? When gunman come in here for me because of what you and your father mix up in here, you tell me what else me need to know before me lose my life.
Daddy would never put us in any kind of danger.
I know he would stop it. You think your father can control the wickedness inside of them man your heart? You think thousands of miles away him can stop them from murdering me and you?
If it was up to him alone, he wouldn't be away. It's a long time my father won't come home. But then he would have to explain to you where him get money from to make sure say you comfortable. If him never so concerned about what you would think and how you would feel. If he could have just trust you, he wouldn't have to stay away and pretend that him on that stupid farm work program. My father would be safe in his house and not in some strange place the police who will lamp on him.
So you're blaming me
Mommy,
for what happened to your father?
Mommy,
if he wasn't delving in evil, this would not be him result.
So him deserve this? Because I'm doing everything possible to provide this home that you're so eager to show off to everybody. That my school fee always pay on time. Now when you close your eyes at night time, you don't have a care in the world. That's why I'm deserving for God prison with me.
I didn't ask for any of this.
You never turn it down either. As long as it appears that Daddy never do anything against your Christian principles, you accept whatever I provide without asking any questions. So why are the questions no, mommy? Why are the questions no?
Georgia, you're not going to make me feel guilty for what happened to your father, and I'm not going to sin myself to help him either. You realize that you could be the one gone to
Mommy,
prison.
I'm not going to any
Your
prison.
entire life could be wasted because of your father and him greed and him wickedness. If him do the things they're accusing him of, him must pay.
Wow. You're the Christian. Is that a new commandment, mommy? Thou shalt abandon your husband when he is most in need. know why I couldn't trust you. Should I never open my mouth? Leave it alone. I will help my father.
Georgia, I will not allow it. You don't know how long your father has
Mommy,
been hiding the
just
truth from us,
stop
or
now.
the extent of what he makes up in her. What we really need to do is we need to get a lawyer.
Mommy.
There must be some way that you can solve all of this without getting you involved. I am sure if we hand over the money and the titles, then him can make sure that the police don't come after you too.
And over what? Look, nobody not coming after me. Daddy, make sure of that.
Oh, yes? The same way I make sure said them never come after him.
It's probably just some mix-up. Maybe somebody never do what I'm supposed to do. Whatever it is, it don't matter. And my name, the money, so you can't stop me.
Georgia, I'm warning you, you know. You're going to get yourself into a whole heap of trouble.
Not if you don't say anything. I realize you don't have any sympathy for daddy, but just don't do anything that going to send me to prison as well.
Georgia, why would you say
Mommy,
something
let me
like that?
go.
Why would I want you to go to prison? I am trying to save you, Georgia. Don't you know I love you? I'm your mother.
And he's my father. And there is no doubt how much he loves me. Daddy already told me who to contact in case something like this happens. I will take care of it. Less you know, the better. If daddy make you have this roof over your head, he is a good man. You don't deserve this. When you're praying tonight, remember that.
Hey, Samantha, you reach home? No, nothing new. Yeah, man, we spoke. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks. Lord, your word says that when we come to you, we must believe that you are God and that you are a rewarder of them who seek you. So I am putting this family in your hands. My husband has opened the door and allowed the devil to come into our lives, and God, he's trying to take control of my little girl. But I am begging you to guide her. In her heart, the love for her father is keeping her from what is true and what is right. But I am praying to you tonight that you will let her see that there can only be one way, and that is the way of truth. door. I put my husband. In your son's name.
Next time on God's Way.
The big offering them every time. You invited us to this house when all along all of this had nothing to do with God. What's that song?
Police, hold on.
What?
It looks like police going into the building where we're supposed to meet the lawyer.
Deacon, may I offer you something to drink?
Do you have any chicken?